chief guest of a great personality to have with us this morning for the ceremony. We welcome you, sir. Thank you very much for being with us this morning for the inaugural ceremony of the district level Games and Sports Meet 2025. A wonderful leader, a seasoned leader with decades of experience, who has already served as a Deputy Chief Minister of Telangana and Minister of Education, and having different portfolios, working tirelessly for the welfare of students, teachers and overall development of the state. Residential institutions. We thank you very much for your wonderful time, for being with us this and the MRO sir, MPDO sir, and the DCOs and the principals of MJP institutions to please accompany our respects. To our great heroes of Mahatma Jyotirao institutions, we now request our chief guest, Sri Kadiyam Srihari garu to
hosting tarvata janaganamana untundi పిల్లలందరూ సిద్ధంగా ఉండాలి. Music. Salute all of you. Salute.
very much sir for hoisting. Please accompany.
టార్చ్ బేరర్ తో సిద్ధంగా ఉన్నారు. టార్చ్ బేరర్స్ అక్కడ అందరూ కూడా రావాలి. మీ ప్యాషన్ ఫర్ ద ప్లేయర్, ద బ్లేజ్ కమ్స్. గౌరవ ముఖ్య అతిథి గారు టార్చ్ని వెలిగించడం జరిగింది. దాన్ని మన టార్చ్ బేరర్స్ కి అందించడం జరుగుతుంది.
Shall we give a big round of applause as we have the chief guest lighting the torch of hope, symbolizing the flame of perseverance, dedication and passion that burns within every athlete.
So we have Master K played in the athletics. M Charan Teja, MJP Mulugu boys, state played in Kabaddi. Master P Ajay, MJP Nalapalli boys, played in the athletics national level. And G Satvik, MJP Pedavangara boys, played table Coco. G Shivacharan, MJP Sangam boys. M Anil, MJP Sharpet boys, played Coco state level.
Wow, that's amazing. Olympic torch relay has been completed and handed over the torch to the honorable chief guest.
As the flames reach their final destination, kindly accept the torch with the flame. Boys in navy blue are arriving in front of the stage to give their respects in the garden
of blue, deeply connected to authority, tradition and sophistication, represents elegance, professionalism and essence.
While yellow intellects, we have Master P. Abhiram from MJP Dantalapalli boys, the flag bearer along with the placard holder Mohammad Afur Rahman, and the boys in sky blue from MJP Dantalapalli.
Sky blue represents tranquility, peace and serenity, often evoking feelings of calm, hope and freedom. Blue is associated with the optimism, clarity and essence of openness.
Boys Gumaduru along with the placard holder Master N. Ishwar, and the boys in blue and orange.
Blue and orange is representing a balance of warmth and vibrancy in design.
We have Master Sushant from MJP Hanamkonda boys with the flag bearer and the placard holder CH Pranay, and the boys in yellow.
Yellow represents a wide range of ideas from positive traits like happiness, optimism and
MJP Ainol institution with the placard holder Master G Sujit and the team in red and green.
Red is like stop and go and seen in traffic lights, but also harmony and contrast.
Kadiyam Sri garu taking the guard of honor of the boys. we have Master T. Vignesh from MJP Jangam Institution with the placard Master K. Vinay, the boys in red.
Red represents a wide range of intense emotion and concepts from passion, love and energy.
వేదిక ముందుకి మాస్టర్ ఈ ప్రశాంత్ ఎంజేపీ కమలాపూర్ బాయ్స్ ఇన్స్టిట్యూషన్ నుండి ఫ్లాగ్ బేరర్ గా, అదే విధంగా మాస్టర్ టి రాజ్ కుమార్ ప్లకార్డ్ హోల్డర్ గా వాళ్ళ యొక్క సైన్యంతో ముందుకి గార్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ చెప్తున్నారు.
And typically represents passion, love and also often signifies happiness, warmth and caution and intellect.
గార్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ తో మాస్టర్ ఆర్ శివచరణ్ ఎంజేపీ బాయ్స్ కాటారం నుండి, అదే విధంగా ప్లకార్డ్ తో ముఖ్య అతిథికి తన గార్డ్ ఆఫ్ ఆనర్ ఇస్తూ మార్చింగ్ లో వెళ్తున్నారు.
Maroon represents a range of ideas including passion, strength, sophistication and power. It's with warmth and richness.
We have Master E. Prashant from MJP Khilavarangal Boys Institution with the placard Master V. Srishant and the boys in maroon, giving the guard of honor to our esteemed guest, the chief guest of the inaugural ceremony on the stage, our Honorable MLA Garu, Sri Kadiyam Sri Hari Garu. MJP Mugulapalli Boys Institution with the Master E. Shivakumar,
Deeply connected to the authority and tradition and sophistication, represents elegance, professionalism and sense of calm.
Master M. Sharan Teja holding the placard and the boys in blue.
Blue represents most commonly calmness, trust and stability, but can also lightening sadness, wisdom and loyalty by culture. And
In chief guest on stage we have Master D. Karthik from MJP Nalavelli Boys as a flag bearer, and Master M. Ratnadeep with the placard with the team in cream.
cream color represents comfort.
We have Master P. Sai Manoj from MJP Pedavangara Boys, Mappa District with the placard Master S. Vijay Kumar and the boys in yellow.
Yellow and sky blue represents a cheerful combination of optimism, energy and an uplifting atmosphere.
Followed by our marching team, we have Master
Wide range of intense emotions and concepts of from passion and war, passion and love, energy and excitement, power of strength with the celebration.
We have the team from MJP Shampet Boys, Anupanda District with Master
Wide range of positivity and concepts like warmth, enthusiasm, association with the autumn and health. It gives a dynamic and attention-grabbing qualities.
We have with us now MJP Venkatapur Boys with Master B. Nikhil as a flag bearer, the placard Master B. Shiva and the boys in yellow giving their guard of Station Gunpur Boys. Master B. Shiva Sai as a flag bearer and the placard with Master M. Sai Kiran. The boys in yellow and
Sky blue represents a cheerful combination of optimism, energy and calm respectively and tranquility, while also providing a vibrant and uplifting of a atmosphere.